Good morning students. Our this video lecture, it is based on a very special topic. The topic is there in the file handling in Python chapter, and the topic is how to append data in a file. This is the topic. And very first, when we are going to start the topic, very first you should know how many different approaches are related with a file. Here, just see the very first approach, that is a read approach. Read approach means we just read the content of the file from top to bottom, right? For reading a file in Python, we are having R mode, right? It is available if you want to read the data only. The second type of approach, it is related with write. Write means if you want to write your program data into the file, then we just select this write mode and it is available with this W. Here, just see what is there in write mode. Write mode means you want to store your program data into a specific file inside your hard disk. Right? Now, there are two different we can say aspects. Either the same name file is there in the folder. If the same name file is there, same name means suppose I want to store my program's data into a abc.txt file, right? If the file is already there in the folder and you are going to use write mode, computer will erase the previous data from the file. It will clear the file data and you are going to write your data into a new file, right? So here this is the problem with the write mode, that if you give the same name, the file is already available, then computer is going to wipe out the previous data inside the file and the new data is going to store in the file, right? Now on the second style, on the second aspect, if file is not there in the folder, right, ABC file, it is not there, तो क्या होगा? तब तो कोई problem ही नहीं है. ABC file is not there. Computer is going to create the ABC file, store your file data into the ABC file and lock the file, right? But at the second time when you execute your program, पहली बार program चलाया, your file is created inside the folder. Name of the file is ABC. Now on the second day or on any other day, if you are going to execute the same program again, यहाँ मैंने प्रोग्राम चलाया आफ्टर सम डेज, तो क्या हो रहा है? फाइल तो बन चुकी है वहां पे. इस दिन जो प्रोग्राम बनाया, इस दिन जो प्रोग्राम चलाया, एट दैट टाइम ओनली द फाइल इज क्रिएटेड इन द फोल्डर. नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट एग्जीक्यूट योर प्रोग्राम अगेन. तो अब क्या करेगा कंप्यूटर? द फाइल इज ऑलरेडी हियर. कंप्यूटर इज गोइंग टू वाइप आउट द डेटा ऑफ द फाइल और आज फिर ये नई फाइल बनाएगा. This is the problem with the write mode. So if we use the write mode in our general day-to-day programming, आपने कोई प्रोग्राम बनाया, your program is related with a restaurant. आज जितने कस्टमर है, the data, today's data is there in that file. कल अगर आप वापस से सॉफ्टवेयर चलाओगे तो होगा क्या? ये पुराना डेटा वापस से रिमूव करेगा, आज का डाटा स्टोर करेगा. तो ये तो प्रॉब्लम है. We are not having the entire list from day 1 to till date. कितने कस्टमर आए, क्या क्या परचेज किया, कितने का बिल बना, ये तो कभी रिसीव ही नहीं कर सकते in this write mode. So here for that the append mode is there in the programming and it is the most popular and most common mode in the software industry. जितने भी लोग हैं सब append mode पे चलते हैं. write mode कोई यूज नहीं करता. Because your file is interlinked, your previous data of the file, it should remain unchanged. Then just after the previous data, today's data, you have to insert in the same file at the bottom of the file. Clear? So append mode is there. To use append mode, you just write A. A is the file mode in Python for append a file, or you just write R plus. It is a mode related with read with write. Read plus write. Right? These two modes are there for append your new data into the same file. अब append में होता क्या है? Just see. Suppose this abc.txt file is created and it is available in your hard disk. Right? Now, if you use append mode, just see the program. कैसे use करना है append mode? For that, applicable file modes are A and R plus. Either you can use A file mode or you can use R plus. Just see the code here. PQ equal to open abc.txt comma A. Either you can write A or you can write R plus over here. अब इस append mode में होता क्या है? Suppose the file is already created with these two lines abc.txt file. This data is there inside the file. Two lines are there already inside the file. Now, what is there in append mode? होता क्या है? The old data remains same. Previous data that is there, that is stored inside the file, it remains same. Now, new data will be inserted at the end of the file. This is the most important thing. You may find 1 mark MCQ question also related with this point. The new data is going to insert in the same file at the bottom. Clear? Now the third one. In the append mode, file pointer placed at the end of the file. यहाँ पे pointer की बात है. चलो, we will discuss it after this example. Here just see abc.txt file is created with two lines. Now, if you want to store one more line in the same file, for that this program is there. PQ equal to open abc.txt comma A. The file is opened in the append mode. Just see pq.write command is same. Write command. All the best. Now what will happen? Computer opens the same file. Right? The file pointer is here at the bottom of the file. File pointer जहां होता है, computer writing process वहीं से शुरू करता है. Clear? Here in the append mode, the file pointer is at the bottom of the file. Now आपने दिया pq.write all the best. Just see all the best. Have a nice day. इसी के नीचे computer all the best add कर दिया. File is same. The previous data is same. Your new data, this line is going to insert at the bottom of the file. All the best. It is here. This is the use of append mode. Right? So here. कहाँ चेंज करना है आपको? Your commands, जो अभी तक आपने कमांड पढ़ी, for reading a file, 3 commands are there: read line, read lines. For writing inside a file, 2 commands are there: write and write line. All these commands are remain same. कोई चेंज नहीं है. Open command is also same. Close command is also same. कहीं कोई चेंज नहीं. Just the change is at here at this position, at the file mode position. Here you should write A, or you can write A plus on append mode. Right? अब बात इसकी करते हैं. यहाँ पे just see this point. In the append mode, file pointer placed at the end of the file. चलो ये तो समझ आ गया. File pointer is here in the append mode, so that the new data is going to insert from this position. अब बात करें बाकी जो मोड है उनमें फाइल पॉइंटर कहाँ रहता है? In the read mode, if we talk about the read mode, कोई फाइल आपने read mode में ओपन की. In this read mode, the file pointer is at the beginning of the file. Beginning of the file ये जनरली होता है 0th पोजीशन. रीड कर रहे हो 10 लाइन है फाइल में, रीडिंग के लिए क्या होगा? कंप्यूटर यहीं तो लेके आएगा एट द बिगिनिंग. सो इन द रीड मोड योर फाइल पॉइंटर इज एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द फाइल, और वी कैन से 0th पोजीशन ऑफ द फाइल. राइट? एंड इन द राइट मोड क्या हो रहा है भाई? राइट मोड द फाइल इज न्यूली, फाइल इज गोइंग टू क्रिएट न्यू. Right? In this write mode also the file pointer is at the beginning, means 0th position. Right? अब ये बात करें कोई फाइल ऑलरेडी बनी हुई पड़ी है, 10 लाइन उस फाइल में है, and you open that file in the write mode only. तो क्या होगा? कंप्यूटर 10 लाइन तो है. Here computer is going to remove all these lines, erase all these lines, and again put the file pointer at the beginning of the file. Just this one is at the beginning of the file, means 0th position. Right? Only at the append mode. This is the mode where your file pointer is at the end of the file. इस पोजीशन को बोलते हैं EOF पोजीशन. Just see EOF, end of file position. Right? Yes, you can move the file pointer from the end position to beginning, and at any particular position in your file, there is a command for that to move the file pointer. Clear? वो भी कमांड है. seek कमांड is this, SWH seek. and then tell. Two different commands are there. We will cover it, these two commands in the next video lecture. Now just see one more example is here. Just refine your knowledge. Here pq equal to open abc.txt comma w. abc.txt file in write mode. Right file is blank. Now pq.write good morning /n. The good morning line is there at the very beginning. Good morning /n means the next line will be situated at the next position. Here pq.write have a nice day. जैसे अब इस प्रोग्राम को आप चलाओगे, when you execute the program, ABC file is created in the root folder of your Python language. Here you use this relative path. File should be created in the Python root folder. आप कोई दूसरा पाथ देते हो तो फाइल उस पोजीशन पे, उस लोकेशन पे जाके क्रिएट हो जाएगी. Clear? So here, this is the code. File open, file close. Just see the commands properly. See the sequence of the command. Very first you have to open the file. Then you just write the content inside the file, and after that you just close the file with pq.close command. Clear? So when we execute the command, when we execute this particular code, this file is created with these two lines. Now again one more program is there. pq equal to open abc.txt. It is a different program. Here I used append mode, a mode, then this pq.write. So these two lines remain same. The new line is inserted at the end of the file, and again the file is closed. अब एक चीज है, इसके बाद मैंने वापस ये प्रोग्राम चला लिया तो क्या होगा? Here abc.txt file is available already with these three lines. वापिस से ये चला लिया. कौन सा मोड है? W. क्या होगा? ये प्रोग्राम चलाया, the file is this one. अगेन आपने ये प्रोग्राम चलाया, कंप्यूटर क्या करेगा? इन सारी लाइनों को रिमूव कर देगा. File is vacant, empty. Now वापिस से good morning and have a nice day वापिस से appear होंगे file. Yeah, this is the append mode of the file, and with this append mode, yes, the thing is, next thing is, it is very common and popular mode in programming. कोई भी जनरल लाइफ से रिलेटेड प्रोग्राम if you want to create, you just use append mode. अच्छा होता क्या है? अब append mode में if the file is not available in the folder, तो append mode नहीं बना देगा, इस फाइल को क्रिएट कर देगा. ऐसा नहीं कि फाइल बनी हुई ही होनी चाहिए. No, if the file is not available, it will create the file and it will store the content, it will store the data in that file. Clear? Hope the topic is clear in front of you. Thank you very much.